Hello kids, welcome to my classroom. Today we will learn maths for class 1. Numbers from 41 to 50. Fill in the blanks. 4 tens and 1. 10, 10, 10 and 10. How much? 10, 20, 30 and 40. And 1, 41. 4 tens, 40 and 2 ones, 41 and 42. We will write 4 and 2, 42. 4 tens and 3 ones, 40, 41, 42 and 43. 4 and 3, 43. 4 tens, 40 and 4 ones, 41, 42, 43, 44. We will write 4 and 4, 44. 4 tens and 5 ones, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. We will write 4 and 5, 45. 4 tens and 6 ones, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 and 46. 4 and 6, 46. 4 tens and 7 ones, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 and 47. 4 and 7, 47. 4 tens means 40 and 8 ones, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. We will write 4 and 8, 48. 4 tens and 9 ones, 40 and 9, 49. 4 tens and 1 10, 40 plus 10, 50. 5 and 0. Write the missing numbers. जो नंबर्स मिसिंग है हमें उन्हें लिखना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come on, say with me. 11, 1 and 2, 12, 13, 14, 1 and 4, 15, 1 and 5, 16, 1 and 6, 17, 1 and 7, 18, 1 and 8, 19, 1, 9, 20, 2 and 0, 21, 2 and 1, 22, 23, 2 and 3, 24, 2 and 4, 25, 2 and 5, 26, 2 and 6, 27, 28, 2 and 8, 29, 2 and 9 and 30, 3 and 0, 31, 3 and 1, 32, 3 and 2, 33, 3 and 3, 34, 3 and 4, 35, 3 and 5, 36, 3 and 6, 37, 3 and 7, 38, 39, 3 and 9, 40, 4 and 0, 41, 4 and 1, 42, 4 and 2, 43, 44, 4 and 4, 45, 4 and 5, 46, 4 and 6, 47, 4 and 7, 48, 4 and 8, 49 and 50, 5 and 0. Please subscribe my channel and motivate me to make more videos. Thank you. Watch this video repeatedly till you understand.